Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you because I did a video on my favorite pencils, or 5 pencil sets I'd never get rid of, and I got a lot of comments on my case for my Prismas. At the time, the exact case I bought was out. However, because so many of you asked, I spent loads of time scouring Amazon and I have found similar right down to everything. So this is padded leather, has a handle. It came with, like, if you want a shoulder strap. So it's a really thick binder. Keyword binder, literal binder. And you can buy these little organizers here. You can buy extras. So say you have a set that doesn't fully fit in here, you can go buy another. So I will be linking in the description below the binder options, as well as the pieces that can go into the binder if you want to buy more. It has a little thing here. But what I love the most about this is, one, you can pop these out, which is great, but also you can add more, because like I said, say I want to combine my Prismacolors with another set, or mix and mingle something in, or say I want a case for my Lumis and Derwent Lightfast, which is 200 pencils. This barely fits my 150 set, but it would probably get more on this side here, but I could buy the inserts. So I really like that, because you just pop that open and out you have it. And you can always just use that too if you need it like mobile or something. So this is an amazing binder. My first Prisma binder was like this, but it didn't have the binding. However, it had a really thick padded leather, and it was the singles, because I absolutely loathe the cases with these. I hate them, literally hate them. I like the single, and so my old Prisma case was like this. Loved it. They stopped making it. Had I known they were going to pull that, I would have bought one for every single set of pencils I own, but hindsight, you know, and all that. Then I found this one and was giddy because, yet again, my other set of Prismas were going to be blessed with this. Yes, I have 2 sets of Prismas, one up here for you guys, one downstairs. So I did scouring. I found the binders, I found the inserts. They're different brands. However, I'm going to add them to my wish list, and hopefully after Christmas, I can buy myself a couple, because I really want to get rid of the 3s and put my pencils more in these kind of cases. Like even my polys, I love this case. I really do. It's super cute, but I hate these. Like, I just hate them. I want everyone to be neat and all like that. Plus, like I said, there's pencil sets I like to mix together. I would love to put my Pro Colors and my Black Widow in a color order, because I use them for hair. However, I'm probably going to stick to my big, beefy 520 count binder, because this would get a little overloaded. But some smaller sets, like all my water-activated graphite pencils, I could throw into one of these, along with my Derwent Inktense. So yeah, I'll be buying a lot of these, but I wanted to show you this because this is by far the best pencil case I've ever found. I was in love with this type of case when I had it with my old Prismas, and I felt so bad because when I did that video, so many asked, and I was like, oh, the one I bought is gone. But took a lot of searching, and it was like backwards searching. I found the inserts, and then that's what led me to more binders and more inserts. It was, I looked for this, like searched for this, they wouldn't find it, but when I searched for inserts, it started pulling it up. So I'm going to leave links in the description below to multiple insert options and binder options. These are really well made. This is really sturdy, super padded. You can press in there. So this is a really well made case, and even better, because a lot of those cases that come with singles will then have a zipper for every section, which I absolutely loathe. This is a single zipper. No need to sit here with 3 different zippers and play all that mess. So yep, keep an eye out. I would grab them while you can, because I swear these types of binder ones go super quick. So snag them. Save some for me though, because I really need to buy some. If it wasn't Christmas time, I would literally go on there and probably buy 5 sets, but kids come first. So yeah, I'm going to put them on my wish list and hope they're still around, but hopefully you guys can snag these, and this helps since it was a pretty common question. And until next time, take care. Bye now.